Kicking off is a fantastic tool that caters to a wide range of needs. Whether you're a builder, event planner, or campground owner, this versatile tool is a must-have. It's great for efficiently hammering fence posts, tent poles, road signs, and more. Just make sure the bolts you're using have a diameter that doesn't exceed 8 centimeters. The package also includes parts for different diameters. What's really impressive is the tool's combination of a 1.3 horsepower Honda engine with a weight of just 20 kilograms. This makes it a powerful yet relatively lightweight option, perfect for solo work. And the best part? It's priced at $1,738, making it a valuable investment for your projects. Alright, let's dive into the next device that's going to be a game changer for those of you who want your car to always look pristine. Now, when it comes to polishes, there's a myriad of options out there, but today we're focusing on the offerings from the German company, Flex. This polisher is a multitasking marvel if you're dealing with body repairs. It's perfect for sanding surfaces and restoring paintwork seamlessly. And even if there's no major repair needed, this device can still work wonders by polishing your car's surface to a brilliant shine. What sets these models apart is their wireless design, compact size, and relatively lightweight, making them incredibly versatile and easy to handle. Some even come with a counterweight for smoother operation, while others offer a low-speed mode for polishing delicate surfaces that are sensitive to heat. Next, let's talk about a tool that's a game-changer for professionals dealing with wooden floors. We all know that laying down a deck can be a complex task, often requiring specialized and pricey tools. However, thanks to the innovative minds at the American company CAMO Fasteners, we now have the CAMO Drive, a universal device designed specifically for this purpose. This tool is perfect for working with various types of floors, as it's compatible with any material and surface. No matter which decking method you opt for, the CAMO Drive will get the job done a whopping 5 times faster than traditional methods, all while allowing you to work comfortably in a standing position. This not only reduces strain on the worker, but also boosts productivity significantly. It attaches to drills and is compatible with many models, starts at a reasonable price of $170, making it a worthy investment for professionals in the field. Milwaukee has really hit the mark with their latest offering for drill enthusiasts, the Dust Trap, a universal dust extraction system. What's remarkable about this system is its compatibility with all SDS Plus drill bits, making it the first universal solution approved by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Even more impressive is that the Dust Trap doesn't require a vacuum and seamlessly works with drill bits up to 20 centimeters long. This handy system comes at an incredibly affordable cost of just $23, making it a must-have for anyone looking to keep their workspace clean and safe while drilling. Robert's Knee Kicker. While this tool might remind you of something from a horror movie with its spikes, don't let that fool you. These spikes aren't for frightening scenes. They're designed for a practical purpose, moving carpets efficiently. As professionals kick the tool with their knee, the spikes keep the carpet secure, and a cushioned insert ensures a safe process without damaging the carpet or causing injury. The tool is priced at just $50, making it an affordable and essential addition to any toolkit for carpet installation and maintenance. STANLEY 32050. STANLEY brings innovation to the table with their intriguing product, a hybrid between an extension cord and a clamp. This practical tool boasts a 15-amp capacity, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks. With a cord length of 91 centimeters, it's perfect for use on ladders or workbenches, offering convenience and flexibility. The rubber elements ensure a secure attachment, strong enough to hold the hybrid upside down effortlessly. Weighing in at just 640 grams, the FATMAX Power Claw is a lightweight yet powerful option available for a reasonable price of $25.50, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit for various DIY and professional projects. Let's take a closer look at this tool, developed by the specialists at the American company Milwaukee that you see on your screen. Its main purpose? To tackle pipe clogs quickly and efficiently, even the most serious ones. The M18 fuel drain snake is quite impressive as it can penetrate pipes up to 15 meters deep. With its gentle yet effective rotation, this work tool pushes out any debris, causing the clog with ease. What's great is that the manufacturer has made sure this $400 tool is versatile, suitable for a wide range of tasks by offering adjustable rotation speeds from 0 to 500 RPM and adjustable movement speeds through the pipe, reaching up to 20 centimeters per second. Plus, don't overlook its wireless design, allowing operators to work without any restrictions, making it a valuable asset for plumbing professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Plasmax has rolled out an impressive table and tapping arm set, tailor-made for shops, frequently engaged in tapping tasks. With a generous working radius of 1.3 meters, the detachable arm can be easily installed in various workspaces, offering flexibility and convenience. What sets this system apart is its torque control, managed by an electronic system and coupled with a touchscreen that aids in precise adjustments of depth, thread pitch, and cutting speed. Plasmax offers 2 thread range options, M3 to M20 and M6 to M30. For pricing details and more information, it's best to reach out directly to Plasmax. If you've ever been curious about how pictures and photos are securely mounted inside frames, then this tool is your ultimate solution. Forget about complicated methods because this tool simplifies the process. It fixes the photo from behind, securing it with a flexible metal strip that's nailed directly into the frame. While there are various tools for this task, the fastest and most efficient option is the F504 from Logan Graphic Products, a reputable American company. Despite its specialized function, this tool is versatile and compatible with different frame types such as wood or plastic. Thanks to its rubber handle, you won't have to worry about slipping, and reloading new inserts is a breeze with the convenient reloading mechanism. Plus, there's a depth adjustment mechanism, which comes in handy when working with harder woods, ensuring precise and professional results every time. Fiskars WOODXPERT. Introducing the felling lever, a tool specifically designed for felling trees that's a game changer in the forestry world. What makes this tool stand out is its versatile handle, which serves not only for felling but also for conveniently carrying logs. Priced at just $13, this tool is not only affordable but also essential for anyone involved in tree felling tasks. The HOLMATRO lifting bags are a revolution in lifting technology, functioning like a jack but in a more compact form. With a pressure capability of up to 12 bar, stacking 3 bags enables you to lift a load as high as 501 centimeters. The HOLMATRO stack bags HSB range offers 4 models, ranging from the basic one supporting a load of 27 tons to the top model handling an impressive 92.2 tons. These bags are user-friendly and deliver outstanding performance right from your first use. Additionally, they come with a special control unit that allows you to lift and load the bags individually, providing precise and efficient handling for your lifting needs. Let me introduce you to Stubby Nozzle, offering some truly intriguing nozzles that will make drying your car a breeze, and all at an affordable price range of $30 to $40. These nozzles are designed to work seamlessly with a standard leaf blower, allowing you to dry your car efficiently without any hassle. Crafted through advanced 3D printing technology, they come in various models, compatible with blowers from popular brands like Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, and more. For just an extra $16, you can even attach a silicone cover to the nozzles, ensuring your car stays safe from any unintended scratches during the drying process. It's a small investment that makes a big difference in caring for your vehicle. I've got some exciting news for you. The S-Gauge 2.0, as per its creators, is here to revolutionize how you work with your saw, making it easier and more accurate than ever before. This gauge is all about ensuring that you get that perfectly precise cut every time, becoming an essential tool for many woodworkers out there. What's really awesome about it is its compatibility with saws from the US, Europe, and China, and it can handle measurements up to 51 centimeters with an extension, making it incredibly versatile for various projects. If you're looking to take your woodworking game to the next level, you can grab the S-Gauge 2.0 for $240. Trust me, it's a worthwhile investment that you won't regret. Check out this amazing pump from Atabo that can easily switch between a rain barrel pump and a submersible pump within seconds. What's even better is that it's battery operated, so no more hassle with dealing with tangled extension cords. To add to the convenience, it also comes with a timer feature, allowing you to pump water at a rate of up to 2,000 liters per hour. Not only that, but it also maintains a minimum residual water level of about 1 to 2 millimeters. You can get your hands on this versatile pump for just $97, making it a fantastic addition to your gardening or water management setup. Finally, let's talk about something crucial: keeping your discs and blades in top shape for a longer service life. When you're cutting softwood, it's common to encounter resin buildup and dust collection between the teeth, which can affect performance. That's where the BLADECLEAN system comes in. It simplifies and speeds up the cleaning process, working like a charm for blades up to 30 centimeters in diameter. It's known as one of the fastest cleaning options out there, saving you time and effort. Plus, it helps avoid confusion between dirty and blunt discs, preventing unnecessary sharpening. And guess what? You can get all these benefits for just $100. Now, that's a pretty sweet deal, isn't it?